Yep. I threw the bike at his car, ma'am, because he pushed me. Okay. He came back, I tried to close the door. He kicked the motherfucking door back in and punched me the
On December 26th, 2023, what started as a domestic disturbance call would quickly spiral into something no one expected, a moment that would flip the entire narrative and leave the very person who called for help in the back of a police cruiser.
What's going on?
So, today, or whatever, we've been into it for the past couple of days, you know what I'm saying? Okay. So, he pushes me, I threw my baby bike at him, he came back in the house, he punched me in my face, man, look at my face. He punched me in my face, and I am pressing charges. He has to go.
Ma'am, stay over here. Ma'am, stay with me. We're going to keep you guys separated. He'll talk to them. Ma'am.
You gonna put your hands on me? You gonna put your hands on me? You're going to jail.
Come over here. They'll take care of him.
You're going to jail. Bye.
Let's go to the side of the car. Just kind of break that contact here. All right, so let me get some information from you.
Yep. I threw the bike at his car, ma'am, because he pushed me. Okay. He came back, I tried to close the door. He kicked the motherfucking door back in and punched me the up.
So this was happening, so you're outside, you throw the bike, you go back inside.
He hopped out the car, he pulled back up, he hopped out the car, he kicked the motherfucking door. I tried to hurry up and close the door on him. So he hurried up, he kicked the motherfucking door. He ran in and punched me in my motherfucking face.
Okay. And this just happened?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let me see where he hit you at. I'm going to take a picture so I can add it to our report here.
Yep. And I'm pressing charges.
Okay. Do you have any other injuries, any other cuts, bruises, anything? Okay.
And here's where it gets complicated. This wasn't the first time officers had been called to this address. She had visible injuries, a chipped tooth from a prior incident, yet no arrest was made then. So the question becomes, at what point does the system start protecting the victim?
Oh, my motherfucking tooth is chipped back here. He hit me so hard the other motherfucking day, and I didn't call the motherfucking police, okay?
So we have been out here before?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, stay over here.
I'm cold as hell. My baby's in the bathtub.
Okay. All right, I'll walk up there with you.
You goofy ass. All right, hold that. Man, you're going to jail. You're going to jail. You talking about, ho?
Talking about, ain't we going? Look, that damaged the head.
How was that damage to property? Yeah. When I put him the out.
Hey,
get the on, ho.
Let's go. Let's get your child back.
You mean
get his ass out of here. This ass might leave this
Where's your child?
No, he don't.
Yeah, he does.
His ass lied. You a motherfucking lie. You a lie, ho. You talking about you ain't paid in this motherfucker.
Where's the we're worried about? Where's the child?
What you talking about?
Let's worry on that.
Tired of your ass putting your motherfucking hands on me. You talking about uncircumcised, bloody dick having ass. Get the out, because I don't feel comfortable here. He put his motherfucking hands on me. I don't feel comfortable. He has to go. He has to go. I was in a false report. When he literally, I ain't gonna lie, officer. I did throw the bike. You hear me? I'm gonna tell the truth. I did, ma'am. You hear me? I did just like this. Look. I did like this. Before I could even get the door unlocked, he
now make it make sense. Make it make sense.
Punched me in my motherfucking face.
Make it make sense. Make it make sense, man.
See, I went just like this, officer.
Make it make sense.
He said, what the He came back, kicked my motherfucking door, and punched me the up. And that's when I called.
What a kick said.
Did you get your daughter out of the tub?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just make sure. She's okay up there. Okay.
Yeah, she's good. But I need him to go, though. I don't feel comfortable. I feel unsafe.
We're waiting on another unit.
Okay. On GD, this ain't your shit, man.
We need to just keep you guys separated.
Okay.
We can do what we need to do, but it's
pressing charges. Yeah, whatever.
I know.
Ma'am, press charges to the fullest extent. Ma'am, can you get shit out my house, please?
I think we just got another unit that pulled up.
There you go.
Gotta go to jail.
Hey, I
can't do that. Yep.
Separated.
Come on, man.
Just put your motherfucking hands on my house. He got to get out my house. He got to get out. So you mean to tell me he not getting locked up and he punched the fuck me?
I ain't done shit.
On my baby. He got to go to jail too. He just my tooth is cracked in the back.
All that.
And you mean to tell me he not going to jail?
We got assault.
You got it cracked. Let me go pee right there. And he got crack on him, sir. Now what?
I got crack on me. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Turn around. Right. Now, leave me alone. Hey, no. Sir, my daughter up there. All right.
Hey, can you get my house keys from him, please? Get my house keys from him. This is my house. This is my house, sir.
Okay.
He is totally disrespectful, sir.
Okay.
He been putting his motherfucking hands on me. I've been trying to tell him, no, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. You just stuck your motherfucking in my face. I'll give y'all a whole motherfucking case. Stop playing with me.
Right.
Stop playing with me.
Right.
Stop playing me. What the hell that you got, man?
Right. Come out. What?
What do we got going on? Is he trying to leave? Or?
She needs to be arrested. That's about it.
Oh, well, let's do that then.
Man, you see what I'm saying? Jail. Get the out. Hey, take her.
She called the police because she was being abused, but she's the one in handcuffs. Now her 2-year-old daughter is left inside with the man she accused of hitting her. Whether she was the aggressor or the victim, one thing is undeniable. The system failed someone in that house tonight.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Under arrest. Don't touch me.
Don't do that.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Hey, man, she can't put her hand on you.
She didn't put up.
You get me locked up. You get me locked up. You getting me locked up.
Man, let's go this way.
Hey, officer. Hey, stop.
Just, hey, you need to come back here. I'm going to put you in handcuffs, buddy. No, just back up.
Hey, you're about to go to the
You
ground.
really gonna let me out? You really gonna let me out?
Okay, but this is making it worse.
Look, I ain't doing nothing trying to interfere.
Okay, you can stand there. Just don't come up on him, man.
Go to the ground.
He put his hands on me.
Take you to the ground. Stop.
Just relax. You're making it worse. Can't reach you.
Stop. Stop.
Oh, it's the reflection.
Stop.
Call Joe.
No, I understand,
Stop.
but we're trying to get this.
Fuck you mean? She called Joe. Stop tweet.
Let me go.
You're just making it.
I don't give a.
Okay.
He put his motherfucking hands on me, and I'm going to jail.
Yes, because you did.
On my baby. I'm telling them everything.
Don't give a what? Tell him. Tell him.
Here. We'll just
What's wrong with you? Chill
Right.
out.
Right.
give her some space, man. You can report if you want to.
Oh, yeah,
We just need some
absolutely.
space. We got shoes that she can slide on.
My baby.
You're all right.
Oh, my baby.
Yeah.
Now, come on. Yeah.
Straight like that.
Upstairs. I got it.
Stop.
Hey, my baby upstairs.
Okay.
No, I got it.
Hey,
I mean you, not.
hey, you. Come search her.
I've been told her.
You have some shoes.
Yeah, do you got a pair of shoes we can grab?
My shoes on. I'm good.
Come on, man.
I'm good.
She done that shit. She done that.
I can't breathe.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna hurt me, stick me, poke me?
Figure it out. Come on. This nigga just put his hands on me. I'm going to jail. All y'all.
Where are you parked? Hold on to her.
Can I get some water real quick?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you give me a cup out of my thing, please?
Give me 1 second, because we gotta have both of us on you real quick. Once he gets back, I can grab you something.
I don't get no bitch. You sell crack. I gotta tell them everything. I gotta tell them where you get the crack from and all that shit.
This car is mine. It's yours? Yeah. Oh, my bad.
I'll call y'all, but I'm going to jail because he put his motherfucking hands on me. So, ma'am, I'm asking you, why the he not in jail? If he put his motherfucking hands on me, I might up right now. Why isn't he going to jail? That's the whole reason why I called.
Stop.
That's the whole reason why I called. You ass.
You want to...
And we end up here.
Can I get my phone so I can call my grandmother to let her know that I'm in jail?
I don't know who has it, but we'll get it for you. I'm gonna book you, okay?
What do you got? That's the battery.
Y'all funny as hell, my baby.
Existing.
So he's not going to jail. He hits me in my face and cracks my tooth, and I'm. Get the away from me.
Get away from the car.
Get the
Away from the car.
I call y'all for help, but I don't get no help. So now I gotta get released. So when I get released, I gotta go right back over to this bitch ass. Don't touch me. You please say don't touch me.
I have to hold on.
I don't want him to touch me.
I have to hold on to you. I'm not grabbing you or nothing. I just have to hold on to you. Escort you over here.
Never been through no shit like this before. Get the off me. I call y'all for help, and I get locked up, and then I get released, and I'm gonna have to go right back over there to the same bitch ass. And you serious? I call y'all because I'm being abused, and I get locked up. So as soon as I get released from this bitch, I go back home. I gotta deal with this same abusive ass.
What's your name, young lady?
I don't got one.
You don't have one? All right, well,
You
here's the
figure it out
deal.
when you fingerprint.
Well, here's the deal. What's your charge? Do we know?
Domestic battery.
Aggravated
Battery.
battery. So we're keeping her? Yes.
Keeping me. I called y'all for help. abused in front of my daughter. But y'all lock me up and then keep the abuser with my motherfucking baby?
Why are you yelling at her?
Out of here. Then y'all leave this ass in my crib with my motherfucking daughter. Ooh, I ain't never been through no shit like this. Y'all got the weakest officers in mama I ever seen.
Stacey, are you ready?
I do not understand how the y'all let this study walk up on my face and I'm going to jail. This is the weakest shit I've ever seen in my life. No, I don't shit on me.
I know. I just have to pat you down before you come into the facility.
Study let this man walk up on me.
Say what you say, love.
Y'all ass ain't help. Y'all ain't do shit. Out of here, goofy ass police officer. On my soul. On. I called y'all to tell y'all this. Put his motherfucking hands on me and I ain't go to jail. Out of here. Y'all ass ain't do shit. But let that motherfucker with my motherfucking 2-year-old daughter. Out of here. He don't live there. So why don't y'all leave my door open?